Welcome to Exam Heist, your trusted partner in certification success. We provide comprehensive study materials, available both online and offline. We're here to guide you every step of the way. From in-depth PDF guides to structured practice sets, we covered all essential questions to help you in certificating. You'll always have the right resources at your fingertips. Download the PDFs, take practice tests, and connect with our expert support team. Interactive online practice support, so you can test yourself anytime, anywhere. Exam-ready PDFs, carefully curated with essential questions. Top performers consistently rely on Exam Heist. With thousands of learners already certified, we've built a reputation for quality and trust. Expert assistance, where certified professionals are available to answer your queries. And most importantly, content that stays up to date with the latest exam patterns. Start today, and move one step closer to your certification success. So don't wait. Give your preparation the winning edge with Exam Heist. Visit examheist.com now. Exam Heist, your journey to success starts here.
Question 1. Which two statements are correct about the radio frequency rule of tens and threes? Choose 2. Option A. If the signal strength increases by 3 decibels, the power is doubled. Option B. If the signal strength decreases by 10 decibels, the power decreases tenfold. Option C. If the signal strength increases by 3 decibels, the power is tripled. Option D. If the signal strength decreases by 10 decibels, the power is halved. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option A. If the signal strength increases by 3 decibels, the power is doubled. Option B. If the signal strength decreases by 10 decibels, the power decreases tenfold. Question 2. Click the exhibit button. Referring to the exhibit, what would a guest user be able to do? Option A. Use Gmail and Slack. Option B. Use the internet, except for Gmail and Slack. Option C. Use the HP printer and internet. Option D. Use only the intranet. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option B. Use the internet, except for Gmail and Slack. Visit examheist.com now. Start your exam success today. Prepare smarter with Exam Heist. Practice real exam questions. Download PDFs and revise with confidence.